Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to clear RAM on iPhone iOS 17 after update. So how to clear RAM on iPhone? So first of all I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, clear the RAM of iPhone. So you have open the setting, and then you have scroll up, then you have click on general, then you have scroll up, then you have click on iPhone storage. So you have check the unused slash any app, any other documents or photos or videos you have available on your iPhone. So you have delete must be you have free app space on your iPhone available, so you have. Then second solution, you have how to clear the RAM on iPhone. So you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile will restart, then your problem will be fixed. uh, Clear the RAM on iPhone. Then you have one time restart your iPhone, then it automatically clear the RAM on your iPhone, then your problem will fix and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.